Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. In this video, I'm going to show you the before of my laundry room renovation. My laundry room is being renovated to be a better laundry room for myself, and then also the other half of it is actually going to become a closet in the master bedroom. So what we're going to do is put a wall up in between the laundry room, or cut the laundry room in half, or maybe even, a fourth of the laundry room will be a closet. And there will be a door in the master bedroom that will go to the closet. And then the laundry room will be totally renovated to be a wonderful space for myself. I love the space in my laundry room, but I need the closet space more. I've been in my home about 15 years, and the master closet is something that we've struggled with for a while. So I've decided to go ahead and, make some renovations and make it work and make it more suitable for us. So since we're making these renovations, we might as well glam up the laundry room. It's pretty plain and dull, so this is a perfect opportunity to make it a space that's nice and inviting for us when we walk into the home from the garage. So stick right on in tune and see the part 1 of this video. Hello, and thanks for coming back. Okay, so this is my laundry room once you enter it from the garage. So this is what I see every day when I come into my home. Now, being a professional organizer and interior decorator, it's a little embarrassing to show this because you would think it would be just beautiful and, decorated. And, it's pretty plain. I'm going to admit it's pretty plain. This is basically the last room that I'm doing anything to my home. I've never did anything to this space. So I wanted to share this experience with you. So it is, a little organized. As you can see, I have items that are in, my Tupperware containers in the back. I have all of my pots and pans and, frying equipment and different things, Instapot and all those things are pretty much in an assigned area. But, this space does not welcome me home. It doesn't say, welcome to your divine home. It's just like, just going to the laundry room. It's just a pass through. And I didn't want that. So I will include a picture of what my proposal will be for this room. But basically, I'm going to turn the washer and dryer the correct way. They're facing each other now because one of the doors cannot turn around, and I didn't like the doors opening up to each other. So what I did was face them this way so they can both open to the wall, and it was easy to take clothes from the washer into the dryer. But now I'm going to have them both facing the forward way, and I'm going to add a countertop and also a utility sink. So I'm going to close this door so you can actually see the space. So that's just an old filter. That's kind of where we keep the filters. Like I said, this space is not beautiful. It's not divine, but it is going to be a work in progress. So there will be a utility sink right here where we can use to pre-treat clothes and maybe, empty out the mop bucket. There will be a countertop that will cover over these, which we can also use to iron clothes, fold clothes, and those things. Now up above here where we have, the different detergents and different things like that, this is where we're going to have cabinets. We're going to have two 15-inch cabinets and then also a 30-inch lateral bridge cabinet. So I am definitely looking forward to that. Now, basically the laundry room is going to end where you see the dryer. There will be a wall right there. And that whole space on the back will be the closet that's going to be in the master bedroom. So what we're going to do is basically everything is going to move forward. So there will be shelves on this wall right here that will go all the way to the door. And that's where we're going to keep all of the food items. Now, the food items are in the Tupperware containers, but I think I can do something that's going to make them a little bit more pretty and better. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, also all of the pots and pans and those things, they will be in the kitchen. Now there is one fryer that's missing in the middle, and then there's also a larger pot that's missing, and that's because they're in the kitchen. We had, fried chicken last night and vegetables, so that's what those things are. So I do like the way I have all of these items put because there's a home for everything. So when you're washing dishes and you're putting things away, especially, you know, my older children, they know exactly where everything goes. There's a home for everything. So I do love that. So this part will take a little getting used to. And then on the bottom, on the floor, I have a cooler, a regular cooler, and then I also have a Yeti cooler. Now I'm gonna give you a tip. I won this Yeti cooler from Ceramic a few months ago, and I kid you not, it is wonderful. If you have a Yeti cup, just imagine how great the Yeti cooler is. And then so you go to the back, I have the dog cage, which will probably go in the garage, or it may stay, you know, we'll see. There's a little refrigerator from when my son went to college, when he was in the dorms, but you know, he ultimately moved into an apartment where he didn't need it. And then also there is a spin mop, which I love. So I will have to find homes for those things, you know, such as my vacuum cleaner, and then, you know, the area for my aprons. But ultimately, I'm really looking forward to this project. I'm really excited to be able to come home into a beautiful space. Even the light, you know, is just blah. It's like, just a plain light. I don't even have a bulb on it. Not a bulb, but a shade thing on it. So, so I am definitely looking forward to this project. And when this video posts, we will probably be starting the renovations. So please hit the subscribe button, and then also like if you want to see the after. I'm very much looking forward to this and sharing this experience with you. All right, well, thank you very much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and have a divine day. Goodbye.